Imagine watching your company's stock tumbling down the charts, the broader market panicking and the bears circling. What do? If you're SoFi CEO Anthony Noto, you don't panic. You pull out your wallet and drop a cool $1 million of your own cash to buy the dip. That's right, while others were selling, the head honcho just made a massive bet on his own company. Will this massive insider buy spark a major rally, or is it just trying to catch a falling knife? Welcome back to the Daily Stock Drop, where we bring you the latest and greatest news moving the markets today. Before we dive into the deep end of the SoFi pool, a quick reminder, I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investments. Now, let's get into the drop. Let's talk about SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SOFI. If you've been watching the Fintech space lately, you know SoFi shares have been under some serious pressure. The broader market hasn't been too kind to high-growth tech and financial stocks, and SoFi got caught up in a recent brutal sell-off. Wall Street analysts have pointed out that the stock's high valuation multiple and market volatility made it a prime target for a pullback. But enter CEO Anthony Noto. On Monday, as shares were taking a beating, Noto stepped into the open market and bought roughly $1 million worth of SoFi stock, scooping up shares at about $17.88 apiece. Now, as an investor, you might be asking, why does this matter? In the investing world, there's a famous saying: insiders might sell their shares for any number of reasons, to buy a house, pay taxes, or diversify. But they only buy for one reason: they think the price is going to go up. When a corporate insider, especially the CEO, buys a beaten-down stock with their own cash, it is a massive signal to the market. It screams conviction in the company's underlying fundamentals. And the craziest part? Noto didn't even need to do this. He already owns roughly 11.7 million shares directly. That's nearly 1% of the entire company, making him the largest individual owner of SoFi stock, with a stake worth around $215 million. Yet, he still felt compelled to throw another million on the pile. If you're a SoFi investor, or thinking about becoming one, here is the history lesson that should have you paying close attention. Noto has a track record of being a master dip buyer. Back in 2023, during the chaos of the Silicon Valley bank failure, financial stocks were plummeting. SoFi dropped below $6 a share. What did Noto do? He bought the fear. And what happened next? SoFi shares went on to more than triple from those lows. So, what does this mean for retail investors today? Noto's $1 million purchase is essentially him drawing a line in the sand, telling the market that the recent sell-off is entirely overdone. However, it's not a guaranteed rocket ship to the moon. Analysts caution that macroeconomic pressures mean there could still be some turbulence ahead. But if you believe in following the smart money, and there's arguably no money smarter than the guy running the actual company, Noto's big buy is a major green flag to keep on your radar. What do you guys think? Is Anthony Noto's $1 million bet the ultimate buy signal? Or is SoFi still too risky in this current market? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's stock drop, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on your favorite companies. Thanks for watching the Daily Stock Drop, and I'll see you in the next one.